You are listening to 60 Second Civics, the daily podcast of the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. Historically, the right to assemble peaceably was considered merely a means of exercising the right to petition the government for a redress of grievances. However, in DeYonga v. Oregon, 1937, the Supreme Court held that the right to assemble peaceably limits state governments as well as the national government. The court wrote the following: "Freedom of speech and of the press are fundamental rights which are safeguarded by the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment and the Federal Constitution. The right of peaceable assembly is a right cognate to those of free speech and free press, and is equally fundamental. It is one that cannot be denied without violating those fundamental principles of liberty and justice which lie at the base of all civil and political institutions, principles which the 14th Amendment embodies in the general terms of its Due Process Clause." That's all for today's podcast, 60 Second Civics, where civic engagement only takes a minute.